Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. This one, we're in ChatLLM Teams, and today I want to talk to you about why I think this is the best AI video tool on the internet. It's 2025, and this is the best one. I'm going to show you why. Now, why do I think it's the best AI video generation tool on the internet? Simple. There's three major reasons. There's a whole bunch of them, but I've broken it down into three major categories. The first one is variety, the second one is pricing, and the third one is what I call the kitchen sink. So let's dive into each one of those. Let me show you. All right, so the first reason why I think this is the best AI video generation tool on the internet is simple. It's variety. With ChatLLM Teams, you do not have to pick a subscription fee. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. If I go down here to more and I click on video gen, and by the way, if you don't have a subscription to ChatLLM Teams, don't worry about it. There's a link in the description below. Just click on it. You'll go there. But here's the thing. Once you click on the open button and you click on video gen, here it is. This pop-up gives us access not to one, but four of the best cutting-edge AI video generators on the market. Hailuo AI, Runway ML, Kling AI version 1.6, I should add, the just released version, and Luma Labs Dream Machine. You don't have to pick one of these and get a subscription to one of them. You get all of them here included in ChatLLM Teams. Is absolutely crazy. And as you can imagine here, you can just select one here. I'll select, I don't know, let's go with Kling AI. That's one of my favorites. I can go ahead and I can dig in a little further here. I can select standard or pro version, depending on, how much time I want it to take to render, type in my prompts, do my thing. It's all here, guys, and it's all literally one click. Select the AI video generation model you want. It's amazing. Let's get into the second thing that I think makes this the best, video generator on the market. And here it is, guys, pricing. Let's talk about that next. All right, the second reason why I think this is the best AI video generation and actually just the best AI app or AI tool on the market is simple, the pricing. The pricing is impossible to beat. Literally, it is the best priced app on the market. It's $10 per user per month. And here's the thing, it comes with all of that AI video generation that I showed you, but it comes with a whole lot more. You get access to all of the large language models, you get access to AI image generators, AI video generators, document creation, you name it, it's in there. It's literally, they give you the kitchen sink. And now, let me show you what that kitchen sink looks like. All right, so not only does it have amazing AI video generation functionality and an incredible price point, it's half the price of a ChatGPT license, you guessed it, it comes with all of the large language models as well built in. It's absolutely wild. Look at this here. If I go up to the top here and I click on that little down arrow, right now I'm on O1. If I want to use OpenAI's O1 large language model, it's right there, good to go. GPT-4 Omni, ready to go. Claude Sonnet 3.5, O1 Mini, Gemini 2.0 Flash, etc. It's all in here. Llama 3.3, if you're like the open source kind of stuff. And literally, it is one click, select which large language model you want to use. Job done. There's more though. Watch this here. If I click on this image button, you guessed it, not only do you get AI video generation, you get AI image generation as well. It's right here. I'm selected on Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra, which is brand new, but if I wanted to use DALL-E 3, I just got to go ahead and click the drop down and off we go. Recraft version 3, which is tearing up the leaderboards. One click, ready to go. Ideogram, it's all built in. It's ready to go. It's absolutely amazing. Let's keep going here. This is literally the kitchen sink because they give you everything. It's nuts. If you are a coder, you get access to their code functionality, including an artifact window. So where you can type in some code and then bam, it'll load up an artifact window. A playground as well. This is kind of the same thing where it loads up and you can see your code and then you can execute with it. Absolutely crazy. Real-time web search, no problem. PowerPoint generation, done. If you're a middle manager or you need to create a PowerPoint for your boss or whatever the heck you got to do, easy to do. If I click on the more button like I've done here, I showed you video gen, humanizing. Hey, I write and I use a lot of large language models to do it, but it gives me back, it gives me back large language model text. Use the humanizer. It will go ahead and make it sound more human written. Ready to go. Screenshots, video analysis, doc generation if you need to create Word documents, PDFs, etc. It's all in here. I highly recommend you give it a try. They literally give you pretty much everything you can imagine in one tool. And again, $10 a month. That's half the price of a ChatGPT license, and you get everything. It's absolutely wild. This is my favorite AI video generator and basically my favorite AI tool on the internet. In my opinion, it's not even close. Give it a shot. Links in the description. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.